Apart from standards for labs, we also have standards for tools. ISO 5393 is an extensive performance test method for power tools. Machine capability test follows selected parts of this extensive standard. Machine capability test is a tool calibration product in markets that do not offer accredited tool calibration. In other markets, accredited tool calibration follows national standards, since a global standard for such calibration does not yet exist. VDI VDE 2645-2 is a new machine capability test standard developed by German OEMs, finding more and more acceptance around the world. This standard describes certification of the tool based on two aspects: either certifying the entire tool or certifying the tool for a particular application only. This norm covers not only torque but also angle,